What's going on, YouTube? So look, I want to talk about tritones. Tritones are easy to play. They're easy to understand. And I'm going to break them down so easy for you guys. I promise you, after this video, you will not question what a tritone is, how to play it, how to use it. So let's talk about it. One, why do you want to use it? You want to use it because it brings this tension to your playing. So if you understand dominant chords, you understand that tension is good for music, because once that tension is relieved and you play it with another chord, it sounds dope. This is used in gospel, it's used in jazz. And guess what? If you already know how to play dominant chords, you're already playing tritones with it. Tritones are found in dominant chords. Okay. If you don't know what a dominant chord is, then I did 2 videos on it. Okay. So go watch those videos. They're dope videos and I break it down so easy for you. But let's break it down simply what a tritone is. I'm going to give it to you simply. I'm going to give it to you on how to apply this and how to use it and how to make it sound dope. All right, so let's take the key of C, because C is so easy to understand. Okay. So I got the key of C. I'm going to use C as my root note. All a tritone is, guys, is just me walking up or down 3 whole steps. So let's try it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now this gives me my tritone. Or look, 1, 2, 3. This gives me my F sharp tritone, C tritone. But notice, look, the root note is C. Anyway, so this can be considered a diminished fifth. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my 5th note, right? Diminished just means I walk down or go to the left a half step. Okay, and that gives me my F sharp, or an augmented 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th note. Augmented just means I go to the right or up the scale a half note. So that gives me a C tritone. Okay, so they're easy to comprehend. Now, why do you want to use them? You hear that? If I remove my right hand, I'm playing the tritone right there. Okay, hear that? Tritone. Hear that? That. Look, it's a tritone. So when you use dominant chords or you use passing chords, you're already using them, okay? Okay, look. What's the dominant chord real quick? So look, if I have C dominant 7, all the dominant chord is I use my root note, okay? Which in this case, I'm using C as my root note. And then I use my major 3rd, and then I use my perfect 5th, and then I use my minor 7th, right? So if you look at the C scale, the 7th, the major 7th is this B. To find my minor 7th, from my major 7th, I just walk down a half step. And then I have my minor 7th. Okay? So now, just for proof, if you look at the C minor scale, which is, okay, the 7th note in the C minor scale is this B flat. Okay? So C minor 7th, okay, C major 7th. So all I'm doing to play a dominant chord is playing my root note with my major 3rd, with my perfect 5th, with my minor 7th. That's a dominant chord. You could try it in any of the scales. You will find your dominant chord, okay? Now, here's a secret to finding your tritone. The tritone, all it is just the major 3rd note, which what we say was this E with the minor 7th. Look, if I remove my root and my 5th, it gives me my tritone. So you're already playing it if you play dominant chords. So look, if we go to, let's go to this, this chord right here. Okay, I play this chord a lot, or I'll play it like this. Okay, I'll butter it up, but all I'm doing is really just playing a dominant 7 chord, but I'm really playing tritones. Hey, look. But I like to butter it up. So you could play the note like this, or you can just play it with tritone in your right hand and C's in your left. Because look, it gives me a dominant 7 chord. Okay? That's all it is. So in your dominant chords, you're going to find these tritones. They're everywhere. My passing chord, look, B minor 7 flat 5. If I remove my right hand, look, I'm playing a tritone. I'll use this as a passing chord because, like I said, it adds that tension, that tension. And then, right? Come on now. So I hope you understand tritones a little bit better. I hope you understand how to play them, how to apply them to your playing. If you don't, guys, I'm telling you, watch my videos on dominant chords. I break down what they are, secondary dominants, all that stuff, and it should give you a peace of mind knowing how to play them and how to apply them. So please subscribe, please like this video. Hopefully you found it useful. Talk to you soon. Peace.